If you're thinking about buying a home and keep hearing you need to get pre-approved first, but no one has actually explained what that means, this video is for you. If you want a more clear, no fluff, education on buying and selling real estate, make sure you subscribe to this channel because that's exactly what I share here. I'm Kenna, a real estate agent here in Florida, and today I'm breaking down how the mortgage pre-approval process works and what you need to get started. A mortgage pre-approval is when a lender reviews your financial information and tells you how much home you can afford. This is different from a pre-qualification, which is usually just kind of an estimate. In Florida, sellers typically expect a pre-approval before they're going to accept your offer. So how do you get one? First, you want to choose a reputable lender. Many buyers work with local Florida lenders because they understand our contracts, timelines, insurance, and closing process. Next, you'll complete a loan application and submit your documents. So your pay stubs, your W-2s or tax returns, bank statements, a photo ID, and authorization for a credit check. Your lender will review your credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio to determine what loan programs and price range you qualify for. Once you're approved, you'll receive a pre-approval letter, which you'll submit with your offer when you find the right home that you want to purchase. One important thing to remember, your pre-approval amount is not a maximum and it's not a requirement. In Florida, things like property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees should be considered when choosing your budget. Pre-approvals usually last about 60 to 90 days, as long as nothing that changes financially. If this was helpful and you want more videos that simplify the home buying process, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you're buying in Florida and need help connecting with a trusted lender or planning your next steps, I'm happy to help. Just leave a comment below.